Namaskar. So yesterday we talked about Krishna and how he empties you from within, but that is a dark side. The positive or the more beautiful side is it is said that Krishna आपको संवारते हैं. When once you become a भक्त of Shri Krishna, he तो जब कृष्ण आपको संवारते हैं, then what else do you want? You are going to be the most beautiful, the most important person out there, right? Take example of Draupadi. He made her do things that you would not wish for anyone. She had to endure so much, but because she had done samarpan towards Krishna, she did not question it. Okay, and that's the kind of bhakti Krishna wishes from you. And then he savars you. And there's an incident from Mahabharata where Bhishma Pitama had given Duryodhan a promise that I am going to kill at least one of the Pandavas tomorrow, whenever that happened. And Krishna was not going to let that happen. So what he did was he told Draupadi to visit Bhishma at the night when everyone was sleeping. He told her just go and sit at feet of Bhishma. That's it. That's what you have to do. And I'll be just outside. And Bhishma Pitama, when he was a warrior, okay, and so when Bhishma Pitama just heard that someone is in my tent, he saw that there is a Bhagyavati Stri, and so he gave the blessing Sada Saubhagyavati Raho. And Draupadi, she was intelligent. She said, Pitamaha, if that is true, if your blessings is true, then what am I to worry about? So that was a theatrical kind of a thing. And then Bhishma realized, okay, this is Draupadi, and I just gave her the promise that she will be Sada Saubhagyavati, which means neither of her husbands are going to die tomorrow. And Bhishma Pitama understood that this is not Draupadi's doing, because she would believe in the maryadas of not visiting him at night in his tent when everyone is asleep and alone. So he understood that this was Krishna's doing, okay, and so he was like, where is the person who made you do this? And Draupadi just slightly she lifted her finger towards the outside of the tent, that there he is standing there. And what happened is that Draupadi's sandals, her footwear, have Rajjan on it. So when she walks on the sand, people will know that is the Yagyaseni. So Krishna said, we don't want anyone to know that you visited Bhishma, so let me just hold your sandals for you, you just go bare feet. And Draupadi followed. And Krishna was there standing outside Bhishma's tent holding Draupadi's sandal. And Bhishma just looked at him and he was like, धन्य हो तुझे बेटी, जो इस सारे का रचयिता है, जो इस जगत का रचयिता है, वो तुम्हारी जूती पकड़ के बाहर खड़ा है. And that was so beautiful. That is like just a glimpse of what kind of samarpan Krishna does to you once you took samarpan towards Krishna. And for me that was like beautiful.